Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can update your birthday. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Facebook app. Tap on that menu. Now tap on your profile. Now scroll a little down and tap on edit public details. Scroll down again and here you can see edit your about info. Now here scroll a little down again and here you can see your birthday. Tap on it and if you want to edit it, if you want to change your birthday, tap on edit and here you can type your birthday again. Select your birthday date, like for example if I do this, set, and now tap on the save options. It's already saved, that's why they are not giving the save options. I haven't changed my birthday date, right? So this is how you can easily update your birthday. Guys, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content.